thing recently we did with the banking sector, right? And it's a very valid example. We tried to help out a client which was a savings bank in Middle East, and the whole problem statement was that this client wanted to see the digital interventions in the savings branch account. So it was not a it was a problem statement, but it was more looking towards the solution. So can you give a solution which is MECE oriented for solving my savings bank problem? So there we looked at it into five things. Like, one was that what is customer experience means to the bank. Like, it's a savings bank, so there is no processing fee. It's only deposits, and they just get the interest rate. So first thing is, most important thing is, rates are important for them. So they want to know what is the rates, and is it like in India, people always go and benchmark the rates, and then they go for whatever kind of saving they, if it could be FD or savings and all. So that's the rates part. So we need to look at how we can really come up with a digital solution. See, when we are talking about the problem, we are also looking at the solution, that what could be a digital intervention to improve the rates or to predict the rates, what needs to be done based on RBI or repo rates and all, right? The second area was, because of a lot of digitalization, they wanted to reduce their workforce. That was a problem statement, but we made it into that solution was a more of a contactless branch, which could be an intervention of a mobile digital world, or even it could be a smartphone or a AR VR kind of an intervention, right? So we looked into the solution because the problem was to reduce the workforce. The third area was more about looking at the branch operations. So can we reduce the branch operation cost? So that was another area where we looked at the branch manager being a bottleneck, and how we can really create solutions around the branch manager so that he get a better visibility around how people are working and the productivity and all. And that could be one area. The last but not the thing was around NIMs, the net interest margins. How could we really predict and help and grow our net interest margin? So there was a question, and a solution was more toward looking at creating a data lake of their whole historical interest rates movements and all, and looking at what is the regulatory patterns, and then coming up with a kind of a algorithm which could help them to predict how the net NIMs could move in the next quarter, and they could thereby adjust their savings rate, right? So if you see, the whole MECE case was built not to solve a problem. The problem was simply their savings bank, they wanted to improve the customer experience. We broke it down into MECE for solutions.